Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Brandon and this is Style So Dapper. And welcome back to another video. I'm going to be unboxing Gentleman's Box. This is for the month of July. And again, if you've never heard of Gentleman's Box, it is a men's monthly subscription box. $29 a month, and they send you various items like socks, ties, and pocket squares, and other men's various items. And it's a good little box. It's one of my favorite ones because I think the box itself is well made. I know it probably doesn't really matter because you end up throwing it away, but just the box itself, the presentation is actually really nice. And the other thing about this box is it's also themed every month, and it's usually themed on, say, like a celebrity, but they don't name drop that celebrity. Like one time James Bond was the theme, but they didn't name drop him. Heimdall from Thor, Idris Elba. One time it was Will Ferrell, Robert Downey Jr., just people like that. But they don't name drop them, they just kind of talk about them. You could tell it's them. So without further ado, that's everything in the box. You get this nice little book every month. And this little book right here is actually pretty cool because they give you a lot of good info. So for instance, this month of July, the theme of the box is honoring our favorite protector of the sea, Aquaman, or it might be Jason Momoa. Sometimes it might be based off him or based off Aquaman. Probably going to be Aquaman. Kind of open the book up and they give you all this good little stuff in it. They talk about box members and they just, give us some little good info, good little nuggets of info. And mainly they talk about the prices of the things in the box. When it comes to price, every month they say that you're going to get $100 worth of stuff in the box, and you're only paying it $29. So in that sense, you're getting a steal. But is some of the stuff actually worth $100 or the price that they say it's worth? But let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Now, the first thing I notice is going to be the tie. And it is a kind of reddish, pinkish, orangish tie. Let's see if you get with some black polka dots. This is actually a pretty cool tie. I could totally wear this and pull this off with like a white or blue shirt. And the price of that tie is going to be $35. Not bad. I've seen ties for much more money. Second thing is going to be socks with some anchors on them, kind of like the same color but with some anchors on them. Those are pretty cool, and the price of those are going to be $15. That's about a normal price, nothing too outrageous. Let's see what else we have in here. We have a cool little pen that's kind of like a rose gold, and it's just a twist top pen. That's kind of cool. That goes for $10. I don't think you should spend more than 99 cents for a pen. That's just me though. But you got to have a good pen when you wear a suit. Next is going to be, let's see, this looks kind of cool right here. It's like a notebook slash journal, but it's kind of like leather. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that. It's got some notepad paper in it to keep notes and things like that. That goes for $20, which is a bit pricey, probably because it's leather, but that's cool. I like that too. And then the last but not least thing in this box is, I'm thinking it's a tie bar. Yep, it is just a regular silver tie bar. Let me see if I can get the focus. There you go. And it came with this little bag right here. And this is made by Gentleman Collective, and this goes for $20. I'm not really a fan of tie bars like this. I think it's too small, and I don't like how it's like the slide-on clip. I like the ones that actually clip on, but that's my personal preference. It doesn't really matter. But that's everything for this month for Gentleman's Box for July. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hey, real quick, let me know in the comments if you enjoy these box reviews or if you'd rather me go back to what I was doing before months ago that was more about men's fashion and different styles and how to wear different things and things like that, or do you prefer me doing the boxes, or both? let me know in the comments what you guys think, because I'm kind of struggling on which way and which direction I want to take this channel. So right now I have 2 more box videos coming after this one, and then depending on how you guys react, I might start doing more men's fashion and grooming and things like that videos. But again, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Peace.